Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you something really simple. I'm going to show you how you can change the background of the picture, and this picture is in particular I'm going to change the sky. You can see the sky is really gray and kind of like sad, so I'm going to change that. I'm going to show you how to do it really easy. But just to let you know, I'm using a tablet. I highly recommend if you're using Photoshop that you have to use a tablet. I start with a Wacom tablet, and it takes time. It takes time to get used to the tablet, but after a while you're gonna see a huge difference. I don't see myself using a mouse anymore. The tablet is so much easier and fast. And just to let you know, after I use a Wacom tablet, I just when I see that I love it, I change to XP pen. 22 inches E Pro. Try it, it's just amazing, and I just love it. Like I said, this is first I upgrade to Wacom tablet, and then I just change to XP pen, and I just love it. Anyway, first of all, I'm going to show you in this. This is the picture. First, I'm going to press Ctrl J, duplicate, and then if you press Ctrl O, you can import everything. I already got the sky here. This is the sky. I'm going to press B just to drag it. I'm going to drag it to my main picture. I'm going to press Ctrl T. I'm going to scale it. Let me see. And I think I'm going to change the direction of the sun. You press right click. You can flip horizontal. That's better. I like that. And then I press OK. Now let me see. I'm going to hide it. I'm going to make a quick selection here. I'm going to press W just to make a quick selection. Here we go. Don't worry about the buildings. We can fix that one later. Because I'm using a tablet, if you press Ctrl Alt Space and drag it, you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay. And I want to see this is selected. I want to be the umbrella selected. Just press Alt. You're going to see the plus sign. Change it to minus when you press Alt, and you just deselect the area of the umbrella. Don't worry about the little details, about the little sticks over there. Don't worry. Don't be that. You know, it doesn't need to be perfect. You can change that a little bit. Let me see. I think that's it. Let me see, Ctrl Alt Space and drag just to see my selection. I think that's fine. Now if I go to this layer and this is selected, but I want the bottom selected, if I press Ctrl Shift I, kinda invert the selection, and I'm gonna press E, and then I'm gonna press Alt, right click just to fix my brush size, and I'm gonna raise the bottom. That's it. Now I want to build this back, so what I can do is first I'm going to press Ctrl D to deselect the picture, Ctrl D, and then I'm going to change the opacity of this layer, so I want to see the buildings again. Let me see, I think that's perfect. I'm going to zoom in, it's Ctrl Alt Space and drag, and then I'm going to press E. I'm going to press Alt, right click to change my brush size, and then I'm going to erase. I want to see the buildings again. It doesn't need to be perfect, just to let you know. I'm going to use this picture for Instagram, and Instagram, I mean, is really aggressive when kind of like compress the picture, so it doesn't need to be perfect. You can take your time if you want to, but like I said, in this case, it doesn't need to be that perfect. So just to let you know, you can do something fast and quick. Instagram is really aggressive compressing pictures. Let me see antennas, space to move around. Let me change myself. Something like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. You want to see why. And then a space to move this building. Just my space, sorry, my brush size. Let's correct it. Ctrl Z to undo. Let me see, I think I got another building over here. I don't know. I want to see the builder again. Let me see this. You can change this. Just remember what I said. You start using Photoshop, and you wanna upgrade to a Wacom tablet. They are not really expensive, honestly. And I started using it, and to be honest with you, it takes a while. It's kind of annoying and frustrated because it's just like it's kind of hard when you start using Wacom tablet. But after a while, you're gonna love it. It takes me like to be honest with you, a couple months to get like completely used to it. But after a while, I just love it. And after, like I said, after I use Wacom tablet, I see the potential, and I just it kind of, to me, I kind of miss something, like it's really different. It's a different feeling when you are like using the tablet and you are like writing, and the tablet is watching the screen. And when I just upgrade to the HP pen display, the picture is there, so you actually write on the picture and the screen. So that's really, really nice. And you press Ctrl 0, it kind of fit the picture on the frame on the Photoshop, so you can see it better. I'm gonna press this layer, Control this layer, and Control G, sorry, to group it. And this is the after and before. Now, if you're gonna go actually further than that, I can gonna add a solid color. I'm gonna pick something. Let me see, something like this. I think that's fine. Okay, and then I'm gonna change the blending mode. Overlay is fine, I think. Yeah, I think it's fine. And I'm gonna change the fill now. Let me see. Something like that. And I'm gonna change the opacity now because it's kind of strong. And just to blend the whole image to the sky, because you see, if you just leave it like that, the model is kind of like a different color. So by doing this, it kind of matches the sky and the model. And this is the after and before. You can see the changes in the model after and before. Subtle changes, but that's the best. And that's how you change the background of the picture. Thank you.